Do you use facial steamers for glowing skin, relaxation, or just to elevate your skincare routine? Today, we are comparing the straightforward EZBasics Ionic Facial Steamer with the more spa-focused LuxGlow Facial Steamer Spa Kit. Both promise clear skin and open pores, but one keeps it simple, while the other is if you really want to treat yourself. Hi, I'm Liz from Best Reviews. Let's see which one is actually worth your money. The EZBasics heats up in 30 seconds and delivers a fine, even mist for about 10 minutes. It's effective for pre-mask and extraction prep, but it's a one-speed-fits-all device, limiting flexibility. We gave it a 9 out of 10 for basic steam quality. The LuxGlow offers a longer 15-minute session and a slightly larger steam output, creating a spa-like feel. However, the steam itself isn't dramatically different from the EZBasics, and we noticed occasional dripping during larger sessions. It scored an 8 out of 10. The EZBasics is as easy as it gets. Fill, press, steam. The nozzle adjusts but feels loose over time, and the short steam time can feel limiting for those who want a longer session. We rated it a 7. The LuxGlow adds a headband and a brush, but its bigger design takes up more space, and aligning the water tank can feel finicky. Once set up, it's straightforward. It earned an 8. Both products are quiet for nighttime use with only a gentle hum. The EZBasics is lighter and easy to reposition, while the LuxGlow's heavier base keeps it sturdy during longer sessions. Both earned a 9. The EZBasics is easy to rinse and clean. No hidden parts trapping water. We gave it a 9. The LuxGlow's detachable parts are dishwasher safe, but water can linger in the nozzle, requiring more thorough drying to avoid mold. It earned an 8. The EZBasics feels generic, with a standard plastic design, fixed steam mode, and no options for essential oils or accessories. It's functional but minimal. We gave it a 7. The LuxGlow feels more premium with its design and added features, but the brush is low quality and the spa feel is more in presentation. Still, it offers a better experience overall. We gave it an 8. The EZBasics is best if you want a reliable, no-fuss steamer for occasional use and don't need the extras. The LuxGlow is for those of you who want a longer session and love a ritual, spa-like experience, but keep in mind, it's not a massive upgrade in steam quality. If you just need a basic facial steamer to prep your skin without spending the extra money, the EZBasics is for you. If you want a longer steam session and a touch of spa ritual, and you're okay with paying more for small comforts, the LuxGlow can be worth it. Once again, I'm Liz from Best Reviews. Let us know your skincare routine in the comments and check out the links below for the latest deals. See you next time.